Hello everyone, myself Sheikh Mohammed Basha. I had completed my graduation in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in the College of A1 Global Institute of Engineering and Technology. I had joined Jspiders in the last August 2022, and later I went for the semester examinations and I came back recently, and I have learned more knowledge about Java. And before joining Jspiders, I didn't know any knowledge about Java. Here the faculty taught me from the basics, and I learned many things which are improved my helpful for improving my communication. And by doing presentations, I improved my communication skills. And by attending grooming classes, I have the things that I learned in the grooming classes are helpful for cracking the interviews. And Akshay sir and Anubhava ma'am taught me core Java, and Pooja ma'am taught me advanced Java, and web technology was taught by Salman sir, and Akshay sir added me for the Akash sir added me for the requirement. I got from the Jspiders, I got one requirement, and I have cracked that interview, and I have placed in a company called GLOBUSSOFT. In that GLOBUSSOFT, there are two rounds. First one is coding round, and the second one is manager round. In that coding round, they will ask 5 questions. They will give us 5 questions, and we have to answer any 3 of them. And after clearing that coding round, we have to attend the manager round. In the manager round, they asked about the OOPS concepts and some basic questions, and they asked about some program. They asked me to tell me the logic about some program. That's it. And thank you, Jspiders Hebbal.